you talk in there? There's
Yeah.
such a rad echo.
It's super weird. This is super weird. Stand right in the middle and talk. It's weird. Let's see. Do you feel it?
Yeah. Here, see if the camera can pick up what it sounds like in here. It's kind of crazy.
It's super crazy.
It's amplified too.
Yeah. You could do like a concert in here.
Where's your ukulele? Now we go up. Now we go down a little more before going up. Well, we just topped out on the steep part. Final stretch across the ridge here. Telescope peak in the background. Wildrose Peak in the front ground. That's what it's called, right? Wildrose Peak. Yeah, pretty cool.
Oh, wow. Here's the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a telescope.
Yep. Bad water down there.
Yeah, 802.
Nice. Cool. Well, let's get some antenna set up here. Hello CQ, 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 hello CQ, hello CQ, 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 hello CQ. CQ 20 meters for summits on the air. This is Kilo 6 Alpha Romeo Kilo calling CQ and standing by for calls. November Whiskey 7 Echo, November Whiskey 7 Echo 595959 QSL. Whiskey 0 Mike November Alpha, Gary, you're 59 today, 59 QSL. Kilo 6 Mike Whiskey, Kilo 6 Mike Whiskey, you are 5757 QSL. Hello CQ, 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 hello CQ. Hello CQ, 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 hello CQ. CQ 40 meters for summits on the air. This is Kilo 6 Alpha Romeo Kilo, calling CQ and standing by for calls. November 6th, Delta, November, Mike. November 6th, Delta, November, Mike. You're 525252 QSL. Whiskey X-Ray 7, Mike Bravo. Whiskey X-Ray 7, Mike Bravo. You are 575757 QSL. Kilo 6 Hotel Papa X-Ray. Kilo 6 Hotel Papa X-Ray. You are 555555 QSL. Thank you and 7-3. Thank you and 7-3. Thank you and 7-3. This is Kilo 6 Alpha Romeo Kilo for Summits on the Air QRZ. K6FRC. K6FRC. You're 5959 QSL. Roger the 5-4. Thanks for the contact today and 7-3. Alright, final call from Wildrose Peak. This is Kilo 6 Alpha Romeo Kilo for Summits on the Air. Going QRT after this. So any final calls, this is K6ARK. With nothing heard, this is Kilo 6 Alpha Romeo Kilo going QRT 7-3, and thanks for all the chasers. Alright, let's break this down. These lizards are pretty fearless. Well, successful activation of Wildrose heading down. Thanks to Jeff, AA6XA, for my first CW contact, and a nice summit. That was awesome, Jeff. Thank you. Hopefully more of that in the future. And I think it's time to get down the mountain, go get some cold drinks, maybe some lunch, head on home. Oh yeah, Trona Pinnacles too. Can't forget that. I promised you pinnacles, and we will get you pinnacles. Woo! Yeah, I think that's how it goes. That's the original.
Yeah. Hello from the beehive.
Oh, very
I
nice.
want a cold drink and dancing fast. Or something like that.
Sounds good to me. Let's go make that happen.
Yes.
All right, another high five. We can do it right this time.
Yes! That was a quality one.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah. Short and